Yeah, dude, but listen, man. These drugs are hard, man. I don't know if you're into it. You think you're down?
What's it called?
The toe nipper.
Oh, look.
Oh, look, Eduardo's coming. Oh, Eduardo, what up? Oh, shit. Don't hurt yourself.
I have 2 minutes until my phone explodes.
What?
What?
Guys, oh my god, okay. I was at Taco Bell, and some guy, he walked into my stall, took my phone, and put a bomb in it, and I only have 2 minutes.
2 minutes? Whoa, dude, that gives us enough time to make this video.
Hey, what are you looking at? There's nothing there.
Wait, so you're telling me this guy hacked it?
Yeah, he hacked it.
You guys may not know this, but I used to be a hacker in the military.
What? When?
Back in 07.
Wait, weren't you like 5?
Yeah.
Established this. It was when he was 5. But why?
Dude, had to do some deeds for the military.
What the
That's fucking stupid. And they got a 5-year-old?
Yeah.
Alright, whatever. Can you just hack this phone or not?
Yeah.
Alright, then let's get to it.
Let's go.
No, it's detonate.
Come on, dude, you got this.
Dude, are you almost done?
Yep. Just got the new Mario Kart.
Wait,
What?
what? I thought you were hacking.
No, I got the new Mario Kart.
Dude, what? I thought you were hacking into Eduardo's phone to stop the bomb.
No, it's
What
still
bomb?
ticking.
The bomb?
There was a bomb?
Oh my god, Isaiah! Eduardo, your phone! Oh,
Oh
god.
my gosh.
It's gonna
You only
blow!
have 3 seconds.
No!
Been told, yes, you've probably been told.
What?
Don't reply.
What is
to
this?
guy. He's
What
just
happened?
trying to get a rise
Dude.
out of you. Yes, it's true.
Oh, I totally messed this up.
Are you kidding? Your phone wasn't even gonna explode? You didn't even hack, you just downloaded Mario.
Hey, I wanted the cart.
Well, what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
Well, I guess we can.